Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 31 March, Thursday here, and thanks so much for everyone who actually paid their condolences for the passing away of my grandmother. But anyways, it is what it is, it happens, and right now just gonna say that, I'm just gonna continue on with the business as usual. I'm here back with the charts. And talking about the charts, guys, the question comes in: what is going on with Bitcoin? Okay, so I do have a new refresher here, and I want to tell you one thing that I do remember saying back in previous videos that Bitcoin, it was making the movement of the Elliott wave theory. So basically, this is the first wave, second, third, fourth, and that's the fifth one right over there. And what I'm looking for right now is a nice good ABC correction. So this was the A, you came down for the B right over here, and you're looking to extend that C correction right over to the potentially 57Ks and the 58Ks. Given that you are now, breaking out of this huge ascending triangle, right? So once you break the ascending triangle, it takes you all the way up to the 58,000K. Now there's a lot of comments, a lot of things, and a lot of people are expecting a pullback. I was expecting a pullback, but I do see that Bitcoin might not be interested just yet to make the pullback, even though there's more sense and there's more possibility maybe in the weekends that we could have the pullback, or perhaps we're not gonna have the pullback, and I'm gonna tell you why. Now, of course, you broke out of this huge resistance. It makes sense for the coin to come back and back test it. But knowing how Bitcoin behaves, it might just continue to go to the upside and not come back for the pullback. And we've seen this before. I wouldn't be surprised if anything like that ever happens. And the reason why I think the pullback might not actually be there is because of how the altcoins right now are looking. A lot of altcoins have a structure that if Bitcoin starts to dump for the pullback, then the structure is going to be lost, which won't make sense for making those kind of structure in the first place. Why would you want to make a structure that is looking to actually pump to the upside if Bitcoin is going to go down for the pullback? I don't think so. Now you might wonder what I'm talking about. Now let's take even e-gold for example. Okay, I do see e-gold on a daily time frame. Just look at this. Okay, it's actually looking to go up rather than to go to the downside. The candlesticks printing on e-gold are very, very bullish. Okay, Gala, let's look at Gala as well. Okay, so Gala itself, just look at this. Okay, I'm going to draw this trend line for you. So let's say Bitcoin does go for the pullback. You're going to lose this trend line here, which is meaningless, If you start to lose the trend line backtest, then where are you going to go? It doesn't make sense to me that it starts to come down all of a sudden. Even SOP is a good example right now. Okay, so SOP bouncing off the support. If Bitcoin goes down for the pullback, this is going to start to come down, which doesn't make sense to me. Now there's one more evidence to support the fact that this pullback might not happen to the 44K. And it could be potentially that you're trying to put a bull flag right over here. Do you get my point? I think you're just trying to put a nice good bull flag. And the next technical target is going to be from here to here. If you break out of the place, wow, you're really looking to go all the way to the $60,000. If this bull flag actually is a bull flag. Right now it's not even confirmed, but it looks like it wants to make a bull flag. Now one more thing is I want to turn on the 10 EMA. And the 10 EMA is going to tell us a lot of story. Now previously we already have confirmed a bull cross, and that's one best thing about Bitcoin right over there, that you did make a bull cross. And now the uptrend basically has just began. Okay, I don't even think we have seen the proper uptrend just yet. Even potentially this could just be a first wave over here, or maybe go up for the first wave, come down for the second wave. It could be some huge waves coming along the way. But what I'm expecting is that the 10 EMA right now is at 45,729. Okay, the prices move sideways a little bit down like this. Okay, make a bull flag. The 10 EMA comes up like this, find support at the 10, you make the bull flag as well, and then from there you shoot to the 60K. Simple put. You just break the bull flag completely and you just move for the 60K no questions asked, period. And that's very possible with how altcoins are looking to even pump for like 50 to 60%. Some of the altcoins I do see have the interest to pump 50 to 60% and even 100%. And at this point of time, we even seen coins like Zilliqa as well also going to the upside, right? So it is what it is. I do think there's a sideways movement like this, you know, and not necessarily come down to this place. You could do so because by the end of the day, the 20 is also near this you know, place that we broke out of. But it would make sense still to actually come and back test a big resistance that you were not able to break in the past. You do come back down, you back test the resistance that you broke out of, and then from there, wow, that's it. You up this is good, lovely entry. Oh my goodness, that would be just one of the most beautiful entry ever. And anyway, that's it for the update, guys. I do expect a sideways movement, make a bull cross, touch the 10 EMA. That's it. And if you want to learn TA, you can check out my trading course, and it's 49 bucks, but you can pay 29 bucks if you wish with crypto. For that one, you can come join the Discord and message me in the Discord, and I'm going to tell you how to pay 29 Tether actually for the course as well. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.